Well, welcome to Elon Musk's Green Bay Town Hall. And thank you for signing the petition against activist judges. I mean, this is all about getting out to vote on Tuesday to elect Brad Schimel as the next justice of the Wisconsin Supreme Court. It's so crucial we do that. You know, I've been traveling around with Brad, and by the way, I don't know, and I see Governor Walker here. I know he was a tireless campaigner. I don't know of any candidate that I've seen in my years now in the business campaign more tirelessly than Brad Schimel. He's just been phenomenal. And, you know, he's not doing it for himself. He's doing it to save the court, to save Wisconsin, to save America. Let's be honest. So I'm traveling around the bus with him the last couple of days, and then we do what they call press gaggles, and we go up and talk to the press, and every question is about Elon. Now, I don't know about you. I think what Donald Trump and Elon Musk are doing in terms of the DOGE movement is brilliant. What do you guys think? I mean, what Elon and his group of geniuses is uncovering, it should outrage every American. You know, what the government has been spending and wasting our money on, I mean, that should be, like you say, outrageous. Every American should be outraged by that, but the left isn't. No, instead they're attacking Elon. They're firebombing his cars and his dealerships. By the way, where's the outrage to that form of domestic terrorism? So that's really what this is all about. I mean, we've got leftists that want to impose their ideology on us through the court system, right? They don't care who or what they destroy in their quest for power. We can't let them get away with it. Now, 1.7 million Wisconsinites voted for Donald Trump, right? God bless you all for doing that. If you want Donald Trump to be able to serve 4 years effectively, do all the things he's doing, and by the way, I can't believe how boldly and swiftly and decisively he is acting to fulfill his campaign promises. But you'll notice the activist judges, the radical leftists, the super legislators on the courts are issuing national injunctions against what he's trying to do. What we wanted him to do, what the people elected him to do. We can't let that continue. Now, what should happen is John Roberts ought to rein those judges in. He ought to take care of his own branch of government. But what we need to do here in Wisconsin is we need to return our Supreme Court to one that has justices and judges. And by that I mean people who will apply the law, not alter it. Where we're not looking for super legislators. And again, it's a real disadvantage conservatives have is, you know, when I vote to confirm a Supreme Court nominee, I know I'm not going to like some of their judgments because they're ruling based on the law, and I don't like some of the laws. The radical leftists, they know exactly what their judges are going to do, and we know exactly what Susan Crawford would do. She will overturn Act 10. Governor Walker's signature achievement saved, what, billions for Wisconsin taxpayers? She will redistrict. She'll be part of the group that will redistrict Derek Van Orden and Brian Stiles' districts. We may lose those wonderful members of Congress. We may lose a majority in the House, and I do not want to be sitting in a third impeachment trial of a president. That's what we're facing. So we cannot let that happen. And again, the good news is we've got a person of integrity. Brad Schimel working his tail off. He will be that kind of judge that will uphold the law and return the constitutional balance to Wisconsin and help save America. So that's what it's all about again. So every one of the 1.7 million Wisconsinites that voted for Donald Trump, you must come out and vote. If you haven't already voted, come out and vote on Tuesday. Talk to every friend and family member and neighbor that you know, every email contact, every text contact. Get them all out to vote on Tuesday. There's no reason that we can't have 1.3, 4, 5 million votes and easily win this election. So that's what you got to do. Thanks for coming here tonight. Now, it's my pleasure to introduce a former congressman, another one of our high integrity people who've represented us in Congress, and his